What's good, family? We back. As y'all can see in my past videos, I've been touching gold, bruh. Like, gold has literally been my best friend this whole week, really. But today, it is something different. We touched USD CAD today. USD CAD showed us some great price action. We were able to profit $520 overnight. I guess you could say that. We kind of hit a night shift to USD CAD, even though I was at the crib. This trade right here, y'all, I was planning to hit like big, bro. Like my take profit was gonna be like 4 bands, but the price action started acting weird, and it's currently Friday. But yeah, like I said, it's currently Friday, and price action started acting weird, and I've seen price action in some pairs do some weird stuff on Fridays. I just took my cheese. But without further ado, yeah, hit that like button, man. I'm giving y'all a free game. At least y'all could do, you know what I'm saying, is hit the like button. It help my videos get to other people so I can help them just like how I'm helping you. Hit that subscribe button and get into it. I'm about to give y'all a complete breakdown how I made $520 overnight trading USD CAD. 3, 2, 1. It just started. Let's put the phone do not disturb. Let's go to USD CAD. USD CAD, here we go. USD Canadian dollar. So look, as y'all seen the other video, I showed y'all why I got in this trade, but I'm gonna tell y'all again. This right here is a 4-hour time frame, right? If you look to the left 2 times, right? You look to the left, well, what is this? July 3rd. It got to my resistance zone that I drew on the daily. Didn't break through it, so you know, I mean, support zone, my bad. It got to the support zone on July 3rd, could not break through it at all. It tried, it couldn't break through it. It got to the zone again on June 16, 2025. Could not break through it, right? You look to the left some more, you zoom out. It got down here. The last time it broke that zone of the recent ones I just told you was September 23rd of 2024 and August 28th of 2024. Basically, this pair is not going to sell, basically. That's how I took it as, like, come on, bro. If it wanted to sell, it would have been sold, right? Cool, I'm getting in. Like, I love catching trades at the support or the resistance zone, so you have a valid place to put your stop loss and you be literally chilling like, hey, if it does hit my stop loss, it's breaking the support, now it's trying to do the resistance, and you know what I'm saying? You could just go off of that type shit, right? So boom, I got in a trade like for the past like 12 hours, bro. I really been cooling like, I would say 8 or 12 hours. Like I really been cooling, like it's really just been going straight into profit. Right now it's currently like 2 a.m. So I was literally laying in bed, like just monitoring the trade, like, hey bro, like I got my stops in profit. I'm just seeing how it's moving. So as y'all can see right here, man, like it started to retrace, and I don't like that. I don't like that market structure. Like, you know what I'm saying? These are doji candles, and then we got a big bullish engulfing candle, and then now out of nowhere you just want to like act like you was finna reverse, and now you trying to like go back up to the buyers again. Who's to say next week like I don't get back in this trade and kill it? It's just like right now on a Friday, this pair could do anything, and up around this area, bro, I was up $700, bro. I got out at 500, bro. If I would have stayed in, like, nah, I'm gonna just hold it, bro, I probably would have got out and probably only profited like $250 or $300. So you see what I'm saying? Like me, it's Friday, and you see how it's just clearly like just jumping, like just literally moving. Like I ain't messing with it, bro. This is what it looks like on TradingView though. Like, I love the market structure of what it's looking like. I'm gonna show you what it looked like on the daily too. On a daily, it just looked beautiful. Like, look at my support and resistance zone. Like, it's literally at a support. You know what I'm saying? It just looked beautiful. It hasn't broke this since a whole year and some change. If it wanted to sell, my nigga, it would have been sold. You know what I'm saying? So it looked beautiful on the daily. That's the reason why I'm touching it. And like, just look at the structure. Look at the structure, like, on the daily, that's clearly a morning star pattern on the daily. Like, next week, I'm pretty sure this pair is gonna buy extra hard. So, you know what I'm saying? We probably gonna make some cheese off of this next week, but for this week, bro, sayonara, bro, I'm done. Let's see what it looked like on MetaTrader. MetaTrader, this pair is finna shoot through the 50 on the daily. What do I be telling y'all about pair shooting through the 50 RSI, especially on the 4-hour or the daily. It has a lot of momentum. It's gonna have a lot of momentum. When this pair buys, it's gonna buy up very, 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 very hard. ADX, the ADX is not that wide, but then, bro, get the ADX 45 and the ADX 10 on y'all meta traders, bro. It is so useful. Let's look at it on the 4-hour. On the 4-hour RSI, I mean, it did shoot through the 50 for the buyers, but nah, to be honest, the 4-hour is not valid. Let's see what it looked like on the weekly though. On the weekly, you could say this looked like consolidation. It low-key does. Like, if I didn't have this pair drawn up and I seen this on the weekly, I would probably draw a consolidation box around it and just see what it does. But the daily looks so good. The daily looks so good. And if you guys know about liquidity graphs, I'm gonna basically summarize it up for y'all. Anytime y'all see a big drop in the markets, whether it's a buy or a sell, them orders have to get filled up, like they have to. Basically, in simpler terms, when you see like a big old drop or a big old buy, price has to come back and fill those orders up. Basically, price has to come back in the area where all them big body candles are at. Over time, price has to refill. If you look right here, hold on, where USD CAD did them big old sales, this is on the daily. Them orders, especially right here, this big old area has to get filled up. When it's gonna do that, we don't know. But look, bro, keep this pair in mind and just watch it, bro. This pair is gonna buy very, 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 very hard. And I'm telling you right now, I'm gonna make some more cheese off of this shit. But that shit was like a quick, what was it? Here, let's go see. That was a quick 520. I'm telling you, bro, I be this close to cracking that $1,000 in one trade. On my, hold on, y'all, I'm trying to think. I'm low-key tired. I'm this close to cracking that $1,000 on my live account now, because we don't do no more freaking prop firms, bro. Nothing against prop firms, but we don't do that shit no more. Like we doing it the raw and organic way, you know. But without further ado, man, that's the video. Let me know in the comment section if y'all have any questions. Let me know if I missed some stuff that's important that y'all want me to re-go over, or just tell me in the comment section like how I can improve the video. If I'm going too fast, if y'all want me to slow down, like, bro, just let me know how y'all feeling in the comment section. But hit the like button, man. Hit the subscribe button, man. I'm about to cut this video off and get to editing, bro. I'm tired, but I'm on that grind for y'all. I'm done for the week. We had a good trading week. I'm done, literally. I'm about to go on my computer and exit out my freaking trading tabs right now. We ain't gonna open these up until Sunday. I'm closing my tabs for the weekend, man. Hey, if y'all are profitable this week in trading, bro, I tip my hat to y'all. If y'all weren't profitable, this week, make sure y'all are learning from y'all losses. Don't just be dry losing in these markets, bro. That shit gonna hurt. That shit gonna sting. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all are learning why y'all losing. Hey, I lost because woo, 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 woo. Use the weekend when the markets is not open to study, nigga. How you think you gonna get better if you're not out here studying? I'm just being real with you, bro. Like, that ass, study, bro. Study so you can know this shit at the back of your head. You don't have to be stressing, bro. That ass serious, but I'm finna get to editing this video, bro. I love y'all boys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see y'all in the next time we touch some paper and bring it to the tube. My nigga, peace.